In the heart of Italy, during a time when the world was full of mystery, lived a man who dared to look beyond the ordinary and into the stars. This is the story of Galileo Galilei. Meet young Galileo Galilei. Born in Pisa, Italy, in 1564, Galileo was curious about everything around him. He loved to experiment and learn, especially about how things moved. One day, Galileo conducted a famous experiment. He dropped two objects of different weights from the Leaning Tower of Pisa to show that they would hit the ground at the same time, challenging the old beliefs about motion. Galileo heard about a new invention called the telescope. He built his own and pointed it at the night sky. What he saw through his telescope would change our understanding of the universe. When Galileo looked at the moon, he saw craters and mountains. This was a surprise because many people thought the moon was a smooth, perfect sphere. Galileo's observations showed that the moon was a world of its own. Galileo also discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter. This was amazing because it showed that not everything revolved around the Earth, challenging the idea that Earth was the center of the universe. Galileo observed that Venus went through phases, just like the moon. This supported the idea that Venus orbited the Sun, providing more evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system. Galileo's discoveries were groundbreaking, but not everyone was happy. The Church, which believed the Earth was the center of the universe, was not pleased with Galileo's findings. He faced great opposition, but he remained steadfast in his pursuit of truth. Despite the challenges, Galileo's work laid the foundation for modern astronomy. Today, scientists and astronomers build on his discoveries, exploring the universe with advanced telescopes and space probes. Galileo's legacy lives on in every star we study and every planet we explore. Galileo Galilei was more than just an astronomer. He was a pioneer who looked beyond the known world and dared to explore the unknown. His story teaches us the importance of curiosity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. What wonders will you discover when you look at the stars?